Namaste. You are listening to Fail to Win, written by Dinesh Patel, Air Warrior, and narrated by Mitali Pirangute. Chapter 14, Law of Attraction. As they say, energy flows where your attention goes. The same is for the money. When you focus on loving money, you attract more money. I have experienced this. When you keep track of each rupee spent, automatically you are conscious of your money. If you check in your house, 80% of the things which you have shopped are hardly used over a few times in a year. Conscious of money is not equivalent to being stingy. Once you become conscious of your money, your mind starts attracting more thoughts and awareness, which in turn increases your income without any extra efforts. Many times we feel that the law of attraction does not work as it claims to be. Big things do not happen as we wish for. I too experienced similarly when my small dreams and desires turned into reality, but big things didn't. Over several introspections, I found the true reasons. Firstly, the law of attraction does not work unless the desire becomes your core belief. Superficial and temporary weak desires never attract success. Unless the desire is matured enough and becomes part of your life, it is hardly fulfilled. Weak desires produces weak results, much like small fire produces small heat. In my case, I analyzed that I had full conviction and full passion for small desires where LOA, law of attraction, worked magically. After my setback, I did not dream big out of fear of loss. They remained superficial, hence nothing big happened. For nature, nothing is small or big. It has abundance beyond imaginations. It is only our mind which sets the limitations. Any desire which is embedded in fear, LOA, does not work. Any desire which has love and passion will work for sure. Swami Vivekananda was addressing an American audience when he said, "With faith, you can move the mountains." One lady was highly impressed and asked Swamiji if she could really move a mountain. Swamiji said, "Yes, provided your desire is strong, long, and deep enough. Pray for it and it will happen." The lady stood near the window facing the hill and prayed it to move away and allow sunlight to enter the window. But even after praying for 3 months, nothing happened. She was depressed. She went to Swamiji again and told him that his theory of faith did not work. Swamiji asked her, "What was the first thought in your mind?" She said, "I knew it will not move." Swamiji said, "That was your core belief, although you were praying for it to move." Law of attraction is a matter of inner thoughts. The more powerful is your inner thought, the more powerful result will appear outside. Our internal strength is always more than our external obstacles.